Today we are playing. Don't press the button 7. Okay. Survive Huggy Wuggy. I don't see Huggy Wuggy. Oh, I understand. Bro's not even moving. He's just doing Bro's just crawling on in the air. Is my game lagging or something? Oh nah. Are you kidding me, you mother? Okay. I was so mad right now. What? I don't understand. Oh, here. Bro just fought for it. It just started and bro fought. Now, bro had the world record of dying, the world record to die the shortest in the game. It's kind of to graduate him. Bro, you just need to walk all over the place and, oh, at least I didn't die. Hurry on the blue platform. People, I feel bad for people that are colorblind. You know? I wish I can, oh, that's his birdie? I like it. Click the buttons. Be the last one standing. I need to. Hey, wait. I'm the last one who did it. I did it. Why'd I did it? Yay. I did it. Yeah, last one this thing.
Special or different with Windows 11 compared to Windows 10.
Think I win? Okay, think fast. Boing. Oh. No. Wait. That's good. Actually good. Oh no, don't fall, you freaks. Don't fall. This just random people. Places that people aren't. This is just crazy, man. Oh no, I didn't touch it. Oh my god, I didn't touch it. What? No, I did not even touch it. What? I did not even touch it. No. Yeah, I'm so sad. Try to reach the other side. Yeah, right. I'm gonna try to reach the freaking side. They did it, side. Stop. I need to stop. Just stop. Yeah. Wait, no. Winner. I hope I get a lesson. Whoa. Yes. I find my friend. Let's go. Yeah. I guess we reached it. The floor is lava. Oh no. Don't touch these. These are kill bricks, you freaky leans. I'm the first one to leave. I swear people had the generation lower than anything. Where's they gonna be careful? Okay. Make it to the other side. That's easy then. Didn't we already do this? Hope I don't fall. Jump. Wee. Okay, let's go. Yes, I'm gonna be the first winner. Yeah. Okay, Megalodon. What the heck, man? Who's the Megalodon? Who's Megalodon? Yeah, who's Megalodon? Wait, actually click the button. Click the button. Watch out for lasers. Oh yeah, that's easy. I need hangouts. Jump. Yes, jump. Balls. Jump. This guy, I think this guy's good. Let's jump. No, there's definitely water. It's lava! I don't have it. Break out of prison. Are you serious? My guy? Okay, okay. We're doing it. It's easy, we just simply jump. We'll get done so easy. I'm in magnet. I'm in magnet. I'm a magnet. Get out of prison. We did it. I did it. Without cheating. You know. Wait, give me that. I can have one. Why do they keep disappearing by themselves? It's like crazy. By the way, I'm on a low storage Samsung, by the way. I hate this. Doing, doing, doing. It's crazy, but okay. My gosh. I see something suspicious right there. Don't dodge the lasers. Oh nah. Easy peasy, you freaks. Okay. Jump, 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 jump. Okay, okay. Watch out for the rocks. Oof, my. This is the trampoline. I think I haven't jumped yet. Ooh, like, I hate you, Thomas. I literally hate you. I didn't get hit. No, don't. Okay. I swear that this when they don't hit you and go this way. I swear.
Hey, I'm gonna put all these blankets in your closet for now, okay?
I was a Hello, I am Verdi, your personal freaky friend. Ask me anything, I know everything. Let's take that. Well, what is with the discos, my friend? Yeah. I think that whoever made this might have. We're all Flash. 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 Balls. Okay. I clicked the button. Think fast, you freak. A few hours later. Oh, it's lava. It's actual lava. Don't you or anything. Okay. Okay, Flash. Okay, Team of Flash. Have to collect the item. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Wait. These are all Flashes still uncooked. Ooh. Nice, I got a speed coil. I got it. Bro, it's so laggy, man. I hate my phone. It's always so laggy. Ooh, yummy. By the way, why would I do that? We got this meme since 2016. Man, I can't. I'm feeling nostalgic. Yeah, why? It feels like my internet so bad. Click the button. Oh, what's the lava? Watch out for the rocks. Okay, I'm gonna watch out. Okay, guys. Last 3, 10, and Purple Rain. Oh, I'd like to get the purple. It's raining tacos.
No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your
Yeah,
eyes.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Bye guys. It's raining.